Battery module assembly using Openair-Plasma. Discover how the use of plasma can improve the automotive and battery assembly. In the manufacturing of battery modules, whether cell-to-module, cell-to-pack, or cell-to-chassis, electrical and thermal insulation and optimal heat transfer are essential for high-performance battery systems. The electrical isolation between the cells, to separate each cell from the other, can be realized with an isolating foil or an isolating coating. Pre-treating each side of the cell with plasma ensures better adhesion of the insulating layer. This ultra-fine cleaning of the material prepares the surface optimally for the following processes. The activation of the cells with Openair-Plasma before cell-to-cell bonding enables the use of high-performance structural adhesives that guarantee strongest bonds to avoid any damage through vibration effects. This preparation of the surface ensures a long-term stable adhesion of the individual components and also an optimal heat transfer. Another important step in improving the bond between the individual cells is the activation between the cell spacers and the battery. This creates a solid bonding of the cells. Thermal conductivity and corrosion protection can be improved by treating the pack base with Openair-Plasma to improve flow behavior and ensure that there are no air pockets or other defects. Thermal gap filler materials are critical for efficient thermal management, safety, and battery life. AntiCorr cleaning and coating ensure optimum bonding between the materials at the final sealing step. During all production steps, the use of plasma can increase the quality and enable the production of high-performance batteries that offer significantly higher efficiency and a longer lifetime. Just contact us for further information.